Hi, I'm Ward Schrader, co-host of the HGTV show Bargain Mansions with my daughter Tamara Day. And I have received shipment of my RTA kitchen, and ready to assemble, by the way. And I was at the factory a few weeks ago, and I got to help manufacture some of these kitchen, and they are fabulous. This is, as I remember, 10,000 PSI cement. And these crates each weigh 600, 700, 800 pounds. And this is going to go together in just a few hours. And I'm going to have a fabulous kitchen. So stick around. Let's see what happens.
We're going to set it right up against this post right here, guys.
So interestingly, even though the cabinetry is quite substantial, this foundation has a gradual slope, about 1 inch in every 10 feet, but that isn't enough to create any real problems for the RTA kitchen and or the Coyote appliances.
So Ward, great patio here. It's nice, flat, smooth, got the correct amount of slope to it, but we still will have issues with the tops of our panels matching up all the time. And it's very important when you slide the front panel in with the side panel, it's important that those two pieces are flush at the top.
Sure.
So the shims we send, make sure you're nice, flush and even. You're ready to put your L bracket on.
So it also is very simple as far as materials and tools. You send the L bracket, you send all the screws.
Yes.
You send not only all the screws, but you send this nut driver of the appropriate size for the screws. And the only thing I have to provide is the drill.
Yeah, that's the only thing we don't. We provide every tool you need other than the power tool.
Awesome. And these are all aluminum, and the screws are stainless. You never have to worry about it rusting and falling apart. So John, what is this bar for here? Isn't there a refrigerator that goes in here?
Yeah, there is. So this bar here is put in at the factory. When we cast this piece, it was cast upside down. You saw it when you were there. What we have is a large piece of concrete, and a small sliver above the fridge. So we've put these reinforcement braces in to keep anything from flexing and moving and keep it from cracking during shipping. But once you get it over here, this piece, it's just put on with a self-tappers.
Well, there's kind of a science to packaging this thing, isn't there?
Yeah, like I said before, they got to go clear across the country, so we're making sure that they make it alive.
Well, this is great. So these are heavy enough, we don't secure them to the other cabinet, but the countertop will butt right up against this cabinet?
Yeah, there is no reason to attach cabinet to cabinet. They're heavy enough. When you put them together, they're not going to go anywhere.
And then this is going to be a bar area with a refrigerator under it, and so there'll be a different height, a different elevation to the cabinet?
Yeah, yep,
Nice.
Breaks up the kitchen nice, gives you some nice elevation change.
The U-shape of it I really, really like. And not only that, but there's plenty of room coming out of the kitchen to get right into here, do everything I need to do. Why don't you tell me about these corners? These are substantially different than what I saw when I was at the factory last time.
Yeah, we made a switch to concrete corners, so everything is made in-house now. Got special molds made.
I think it looks a whole lot better than the
Oh,
plastic
absolutely,
ones.
absolutely. Go on there.
That looks substantial. That looks finished.
They're at a 90-degree angle. you know, exactly with your corner of your kitchen. The backs of them are smooth, so it's got a technology in it where you push it on there, hold it for 5 seconds, it's stuck.
You better have it in the right place.
Yes, yes. So what I suggest is a nice, healthy bead on the back of the corner. All you're wanting to do is push that corner nice and tight into the corner. Like I said, hold it for 5-10 seconds and she's on there.
Well, if I liked it without the corners, would I have to put them on? They don't add anything, do they?
So our inside corners here, especially on our plank finish, are made to where you can put a corner on it or not put a corner on it. Depends on your preference. But as you can see, you know, our lines in the plank match. So if you put them together, they just go around. Same way with our weathered wood, same way with our stacked stone. It all comes together. So once again, it's just your preference whether you want to put a corner on or not put a corner on. If you are putting a corner on, you've got a 1/2 inch gap here, and it just does the same thing. Slides right in. Give her a little love tap.
Not going anywhere, and it gives it a finished look. That looks great. So, these are ready to assemble kitchens.
They're monolithic panels, so unlike other outdoor kitchens, these units don't take any framework or foundation. So you can put this on your wood deck, you can put this on your existing patio, paver, stamped concrete, broom concrete, whatever. The system we have with the aluminum channels and the L brackets and the self tappers, your front panel, back panel, side panels all go together as the framework, as the finished product, as the kitchen as a whole. So there's not 3 steps to the kitchen, there's only 1 step to the kitchen.
Well, it certainly makes for a quick and easy installation. So I've built a lot of outdoor kitchens, and most of them I've built from scratch. I can tell you this is about 100 times easier than doing one from scratch. Framing up, whether it be stone or wood or concrete or some other kind of medium, it all requires lots of cutting and shaping and fitting. This thing, we designed it online with the RTA tools, and it came in. It was, as RTA stands for, ready to assemble. It took about 8 screws on each corner. That's all. And the cabinetry was together. All the holes were cut in it. Slid the appliances in, hooked them up, put a top on. It was ready to go. This was done literally in less than a day. Granite tops, sinks, counters, everything. Outdoor cooking, spending time together. This RTA kitchen and Coyote grills and all the accessories has been fantastic for bringing our family together.